You've been putting in the work. You know you're good enough, but you still feel invisible. You know the phrase, "they slept on me"? That's the feeling you get when you feel like nobody sees how hard you've been grinding. Waiting on people to wake up is the very thing that's holding you back. It's time to stop waiting for a seat at their table and build your own. Let's get real about what being slept on feels like. You post your work and you get crickets, while others are doing half the work but getting the chances that you've been grinding for. It's a frustrating cycle that makes you question your talent. It's a trap of external validation that makes you link your self-worth to getting likes, shares, and public praise. When you live like that, you're giving all your power away. You're waiting on an audience that may never show up. It's a recipe for burnout. But what's the way out? It's simple, even life-changing. It's a mindset shift. Stop saying "they slept on me" and instead start saying "I'm building a legacy." The first one is passive. It makes you the victim. The second one is active. It puts the power back in your hands. When you make this shift, you stop outsourcing your sense of accomplishment. You shift your focus from getting noticed to getting better. When you're no longer trying to be seen, you're building something that simply can't be ignored. So how do we do this? It comes down to 4 key actions. Stop grading yourself on their scorecard, the likes, the followers, their approval. A win is no longer their reaction, it's your action. Did you do the work today? Did you create something you are proud of? Praise your effort and not just the outcome, because their recognition becomes the bonus, not the main prize. An applicant waits to be chosen, but a builder, he creates. So stop pouring all your energy into convincing the gatekeepers and instead build a body of work that speaks for itself. So start that podcast, write the blog, start your own channel, because your work is just proof of your value. Often, that slept on feeling comes from trying to fit a mold that was never made for you. The things that make you different become your leverage. The goal isn't to be liked by everybody, it's to be unforgettable to the right people. Every morning, the slate is wiped clean, so yesterday's wins and losses don't matter. This keeps the focus on what's in your control, and that's the work that's right in front of you. Every day is a fresh opportunity to build something. The world doesn't owe you its attention. J.K. Rowling was denied by tons of publishers. Walt Disney was fired for a lack of imagination. The Beatles were told that guitar groups were on their way out. Their legacies weren't handed to them, they were built. Your power isn't in waiting on everybody to wake up. Your power lies in what you do while they're sleeping. Your legacy is written by you, one action at a time. So stop waiting to be chosen and instead pick your tools up and start building. What is one action that you're going to take this week to stop waiting and start building? Let me know in the comments.